Well, the key is just try to get that elevated heart rate up for about 30 minutes every day. That certainly will help your fitness. So, Matt, I was kicking around some weather word ideas, and I thought it should be workout based.
Okay.
And then this one, I don't know why it popped in my mind. It popped in my mind only because I think it would be very funny to see how he fits this into a forecast. That word today is squats.
Ooh, good, Jay.
What?
Well, yesterday was easy, so today,
I know, it was
you know, you need a little something.
Oh, we'll get that right in there. So great.
That's going to be
Appreciate that. Jay, on Peloton, can you do jazzercise in Costa Rica or anywhere?
No, you can't, but that would be a nice feature.
Yeah. I'll keep jazzercise confined to our basement at home.
Sweating to the oldies.
Oh, that's right. Nothing gets me going
Richard
like
Simmons, baby.
That's it. All right. Oh, boy, I think that might be the toughest weather word. I have no idea in my brain how this is going to happen, but we'll figure this out. All right, we're in the 30s to near 40 degrees, mild today, nice south wind. We're fairly quiet on the weather map. The wind really pumped in that warmer air last night with our temperatures rising. It's relaxed a little bit, but still breezy out there. And that breeze will continue to blow tonight. Notice how a couple rain and snow showers around early tonight. Temperatures don't free fall. We'll be back into the 30s. Pretty comfortable tomorrow morning as well. This is a presentation on radar, what this system looks like. Some pretty decent rain out over Lake Erie. A lot of this drying up as it hits into Sandusky areas. Checking some of the obs, nothing hitting the ground yet. Toledo did have some light rain from this. I would imagine areas of Lake Ashtabula, Geauga County would get some rain, might mix with some wet snow at times. Again, this is brief. Peyton and I are trying to figure out what this weather system is. There's really not much going on with this. It's kind of detached from a low pressure. It's just a little blob of energy in the atmosphere. Out towards the west, though, that system is going to be a doozy. This is going to be our weekend probs across the eastern half of the country, the deep south as well, areas of the Midwest. This is going to be a very impactful storm as it heads up and then down on that jet stream. And this is the path this system's going to take. So as we get it into your Thursday, Friday, we're going to see impactful snow across areas of the Midwest. It'll head all the way down into the Gulf Coast, grab some moisture, head up the eastern seaboard. The path with this is always in question. Over the next couple days, we'll continue to fine-tune whether it heads more inland, brings us some decent snow, or heads out to sea, keeps that snow off towards the east. National Design Mart hour-by-hour forecast. You can see as we go through time. Tonight, we have some clouds, perhaps some rain, snow showers early. As we go throughout the day tomorrow, pretty quiet day. If you have plans to maybe head out on the nearest park bench and do some squats, it does look like actually I should do one of these. It does look like you'll be okay. You might get some weird looks from some people, but weather-wise you'll be fine. The park bench should be clear of any precip. Notice a couple flurries tomorrow night on into Friday morning. Overall a quiet pattern, but Friday we get much colder around here as cold air kind of gets dragged into the system. So let's take a look at it. Look at the system as it heads into the plains. 6 to 12 inches of snow for areas of Iowa. Watch the path of this all the way down to the Gulf. They'll have snow in areas of the Carolinas. First time in years that they've had that. And then here we go. The path is in question. Very heavy snow on the back side of this with wind. You get the warmer side of things. Obviously, you deal with the rain. How close does this come to Ohio? This is a Sunday night and Monday problem. If you have travel plans out towards the east, I would forget about it with this one and notice how that system eventually clears on out. So how much snow we talking and where? Well, here you go. This is the Euro model. Heaviest is east. We get some snow showers out of it, but the GFS has been consistently north and west. That would bring a heavy snow into northeast Ohio. This is definitely something we'll need to follow. Union Hill Mortgage 7-day forecast. We turn colder Friday, Saturday. That storm to watch would be Sunday, Monday. And then you can see as we go through time, we're talking temperatures fairly seasonable next week, but another Arctic hit late next week. So we're not done with January quite yet. Thanks for that weather word. I'm still...
No.
That was good.
Listen, I knew you'd knock it out of the park, and as always you did. Here's my request to our viewers. If by chance you happen to be in any of our area parks and you see anybody doing squats, please take pictures or video and send them to us on our 3 News Facebook page, which, by the way, we have an open invite to all of our viewers to join. You have to ask, but we let everybody in.
Great community there for sure.
That's great. Very creative, Mr. Wentz. Very
Thanks,
good.
Laura.
So good.